Hi, this is Sajeev Nair. Welcome to another episode of Future Trends. As you know, manufacturing is one of the major contributors for any economy. And the entire country or entire economy of any country for that matter depends on the size of the manufacturing sector. You know that China has grown big in the worldwide economics, and we always believe that China has become so big primarily because of their manufacturing capabilities. Right now, for anything and everything, people are depending on China. You know, whether it is a glass bottle or whether it is your glass doors or even up to the extent of even buying houses. You know, they buy the house and come here and just, fix it here. So why this advantage? Primarily because China always believed in mass production. And every town, if you go, you can see that every town is specialized in some sort of production. One town may be specialized in furniture production, the other one is specialized in maybe crockeries, the other one is specialized on mobile phones. So that is a size they have already gained. Huge money has been invested into huge manufacturing facilities, and now no one can compete with the Chinese manufacturers in terms of cost. But now I think that time has gone and a new era is coming up where people are going to look for customized manufacturing rather than mass manufacturing. Customized manufacturing is where I want to have a coffee mug which is made of a particular material which I like, which has got a particular color. Inside there is another color, outside another color, and there should be my name and my photo printed on it. Maybe in a different shape, a unique shape which is not available in the market. So this is called customization. The entire world is moving towards customization. And one thing which is emerging with that is 3D printing. If you hear that, you may think that it's just another printing technology. Yes, it is a printing technology, but it's a three-dimensional printing technology which is going to disrupt the normal manufacturing industry. 3D printing enables you to print everything in the 3 dimension. And when you say printing, you may think that, okay, it's all ink and paper. No, I'm sorry. Whatever input you give to the 3D printers, they create the same output. You give plastic as an input, you will get plastic output. You give metal as an input, you will be creating something out of metal. Right now, this is being primarily used for prototyping. The designers and architects, they prototype things, prototype buildings and all using 3D printing. But very soon, 3D printer itself will be producing houses, producing every single thing in the world. Now, what all things you can produce using 3D printer? Right from your textiles up to human organs. Believe me, it has already started happening. Human organs can be made using 3D printing. It is called bioprinting. What is bioprinting? Bioprinting is printing cells on your tissues. Like printing ink on your paper, here actually you are printing your cells on the tissues. So this is the greatest thing which is happening in the world right now. The organ transplantation will be the thing of the past very soon. And if you wanted to have one organ replaced, you can actually make it. You can produce that organ using 3D printing. That is the level at which we are growing. When I'm saying we are going to do it, it doesn't mean that it's all going to happen in future. It is already happening. But the impact of we are going to see it in the coming years. So 3D printing will completely revolutionize every industry. Whether it is construction, whether it is healthcare, whether it is your IT, every single industry will be disrupted because of the manufacturing methodology is changing to 3D printing. Now, when I talk about 3D printing, some of you may be thinking that, oh, this may take about 5 years or 10 years to happen in India. No, I'm sorry. This already started happening. The town in which I am staying, Cochin, has got about 8 to 9 3D printers. Even a town which is not so big as Cochin, Trichur, which is about 60 kilometers from here, has got about, at least I have met 2 3D printing companies out there. So it is happening. So some people are catching up with the trends. Always remember, wealth is the product of man's capacity to understand the future. So you can just listen to it and think that, fine, this is a great idea. But some people will understand it and see how I can apply this in my industry, how I can apply this particular thing, 3D printing, in the field in which I am working right now. Or maybe even think about the future, where can I create a future around 3D printing business? Now, this is going to be an absolute disruption which is going to change the way you are going to do business in every sector, not just in healthcare. Every sector, 3D printing is going to make a significant impact. We'll be back with a very exciting topic next week. See you then.